Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 social media content creation tips. These are the 5 frequently asked questions that I'm going to answer for you. Number 1, which is the social media platform or the tool that you can use to create content? I would say go with Canva. Canva.com is a free platform where you can design graphics for your social media posts, for Instagram, for Facebook, for Twitter, or for LinkedIn. Canva is a platform that is free to use. You can create a free account if you just go to canva.com and create an account. So it has a lot of templates that you can use to create your social media graphics. If you're an experienced person and you have some good Photoshop skills, you can also use Photoshop to create content. In order to create video content, you just need to use your own camera or your phone. You can just place it on a stand and start recording videos. And that's how you can actually create video content for your YouTube channel or for any of the purpose. The next question is, how often should you create content? I would say create content once, take 1 hour and create content for the entire month. That would be a best ideal strategy to actually go about creating content. Or you can choose to set 5 minutes every day and create content. Either of these ways would work. Always, I would suggest you to stick to what's working for you because you'll be in a different mood every day. So in case if you're a busy person, I would suggest you to sit down for an hour and plan out the entire content for the week or for the entire month. With that method, you'll have content ready for the entire month to go. So if you have content ready ahead of time, so you'll know what to post and when to post. So that way it'll help you actually create valuable content and you will know what to speak to your audience. The best method to do is to either create every day or sit once and create for the entire week or for the entire month in one sitting. The third question is, which platform should you focus on right now? Right now, TikTok is hot and LinkedIn is hot. So you should focus creating content on TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Because YouTube is going to be a platform that does not die or it doesn't go away just like how the Instagram algorithm has dropped. So use to create content on all these top 4 platforms like TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. For example, if you're creating a video content, take that video content and produce it and share it on Instagram, on TikTok, or on LinkedIn. So that way you'll have one piece of content and you can create sub contents for all these platforms. You'll have content ready and good to go. The next question is having a social media content calendar important? Not necessarily, but once you have a content calendar, you'll get to know what you need to be posting every single day, what you should be posting on different platforms. That way it will give you an overview of what your content is going to be on that particular day and what that content is going to speak to your audience. You'll also be able to measure the outcome of your content. So once you create content and you post on a particular platform, let's say Instagram, you've taken a video and you posted it on your Instagram page. That particular video, you will get to know, is it getting views, is it getting shares, or a lot of people engaging on that content. So that way you'll be able to measure content outcome. So knowing and creating content ahead of time will help you plan which content should go out where, and you'll be able to measure the outcome of the content posting. The next question is, what happens if I fail to create content or I'm not in the mood to create content that day? Well, nothing happens actually. If you create content and you post consistently, your audience will get to see your content and you will actually be adding value to their lives. And this way, if you're consistently creating content and they get to see that, it will enable them to actually buy from you when you actually promote a product. But whereas if you fail to create content, don't beat yourself up. Just let it go. You can try it the next day. That's why I would suggest you to actually have a content calendar and think about what kind of content you're going to actually post on your social media platforms. This will help actually speak to your audience, build trust, and they will then come and engage with your content. And this will help you build trust so that you can sell them anything later down the road.